Welcome to our channel. Transferring your Spotify music library to your Chromebook for offline listening is straightforward using the Spotify app. Follow these steps to access your music collection. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook and search for the Spotify app. Step 2. Download and install the Spotify app on your Chromebook, then open it once installation is complete. Step 3. Log into your Spotify account using your username and password or connect through Facebook. Step 4. Ensure you have a Spotify Premium subscription, as offline listening is only available to premium users. Step 5. Browse your playlists, albums, or liked songs that you want to download for offline playback. Step 6. Toggle the download switch on each playlist or album you want to save to your Chromebook's local storage. Step 7. Wait for the downloads to complete, which may take time depending on the size of your library and internet speed. Step 8. Access your downloaded music anytime by going to your library and filtering by downloaded content in the Spotify app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.